definitely the customizability, if that's a word. That was one of the key things for us, for sure. And having someone that kind of knew exactly what we wanted and could make those changes, rather than just kind of saying, oh yeah, we can tweak it to meet your needs, but someone saying we can tweak it by doing this and that will help you do exactly that. That's a big tick in the box. The price was, in comparison to some of the others that we were quoted, extremely fair. And that includes, the service agreement that we've got, the support agreement that we've got that goes with it. If we've ever got a problem, pick up the phone and we've got an answer instantly. And that's the other nice thing about working with Avrion as well, is because they know our business, really well, then they completely get the sort of support questions we've got, because they can see, they know how it's all connected up into Maximizer. They can even tap into our system and fix it for us remotely. We don't even have to, have anybody come out and be in the office.